Neck piping can't be simpler than this. Let me quickly show you how to do it in 9 minutes. Welcome to Needlemeister channel. I am Olabanjo Isaiah. We start by cutting along the bias of our fabric. The bias of a fabric is the diagonal section of it. This is the length, this is breadth, while this is the diagonal. Make sure you measure around the neck before you cut your bias tip, that you may know how much you need for it. We start by folding one side of this stripe, then lace it with emi gum. Please note that the excess of emi gum you are seeing at the edge of the folding was never a mistake. This is how to do a neck pipe. When wrapping up the bias tip here, make sure that you didn't wrap it extremely close to the edge. Let there be a little space. Now let's trim out the excess. With the help of the iron, we are going to curve this bias tip. Now let's open the tape. I am going to fold one end of it because this is not a neck that has plackets. Now let's go sew this to the neck. To fix this neck pipe properly, you will ensure that the curve of your neck is touching the center, that is the depth of the pipe at every go. Neatness is better than speed, because at the end of your job, people will not see how fast you were when sewing. They will only see how neat your job comes out. So even at me playing this video at times too, you can see for yourself that I am as slow as snail in this video. This is how I normally sew pipe neck, because I want something very clean, something very perfect. You can see how I am making sure that the curve of the neck is touching the depth of the pipe. Please have this at the back of your mind. Thank you. The design you're seeing here was made in our Dansiki Masterclass on Telegram. This video of neck piping is the lesson 8 video of 9 structured videos about how to make dashiki. Because of the awareness of the fact that many tailors knows how to make dashiki, made us develop how to make that same dashiki in a way that is different from how every tailor do it. Because we know of the saying that if you do what everybody does, you will get the same result that everybody gets. Uniqueness is leverage. It makes you irreplaceable and makes you negotiate better at deals that every other tailor who has no uniqueness will collect anything that is offered because of high competition. To join this masterclass, please click the link in the description box below or link on my bio. Please note that this design can be used not only for dashiki but also shirts and kaftan. Thank you. So this is how to do neck pipe. The tutorial of neck pipe ends here. The top stitching that I will be doing now is just me adding details to it. If you have gained any knowledge so far in this tutorial, please encourage me with your like button. Drop a comment for me in the comment section and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. All of this goes a long way in motivating me to do more. Thank you very much. This is how simple and clean neck piping can be if you follow the procedures. Thank you very much for being part of this tutorial. If you would like to learn about this design, you want to have access to the full Dashiki Masterclass, please check for link in the description box below or link on my bio. Thank you.